Hey you guys, welcome to Tamara TV. If you've been here before, then of course, as always, welcome back. And if you've never been here before, then hi, my name is Tamara. This is my lifestyle channel, and today is a special day because I am doing an unboxing of my new camera for YouTube. All right, you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start unboxing. As you guys can see from the packaging, I did order my camera from Amazon, and I'm kind of just flinging it around like it's not a $650 camera. Let's just unbox it here. So, there we go. All right, you guys, so here it is. This is the camera. This is the Canon EOS M50. So the Canon M50. Just so you guys know, I did do my research on my camera before ordering it. I did watch lots and lots of videos on which cameras are the best cameras for YouTubers who are, you know, new to videography and recording and vlogging and all of that stuff. And I did narrow down my decisions down between I want to say it's the Nikon G7X Mark III or something like that, and this one. And then there was one final video I watched. That video was the final decision for me. That's how I decided on my Canon M50. So sorry, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of background. So let me just open this bad boy up. Okay. So inside we have a bunch of different things, to register the camera, and oh, like the manual on how it works, and I don't know, I guess warranty cards and all of that fun stuff. So we have this is the strap for it to go around your neck. So this is that, and I'm actually not quite sure how it works, but I guess we'll figure that out in a bit. Next up in here we have the battery pack. So I guess the battery goes in here for it to be charged. And then lastly, well, not lastly, but next up we have the actual battery, it looks like. So here is the battery. And to charge it, this actually comes out like so, and you pop this right on in here and plug it into the wall, and that's how that charges. Oh, duh, the lens. I was wondering what this was. We have the lens. Ooh, everything is so nice and fresh. Okay, so here is the lens, and I actually have no idea what I'm doing. Let's see. Oh, okay. So here's the lens, and I don't know how you take up. I guess it's kind of self-explanatory. So here's the lens. It's like this nice silver gray. I'm so excited. And it comes with these two little caps. And last but not least, we have the actual camera. So there we go. Oh my gosh. So first off, I'm sure you guys noticed that it is white, and I did want the white one because, as you guys can see in my bedroom, I kind of have this thing with the color white. It's just nice and clean, and I just I love white. It just always fits the aesthetic perfectly. Just pop that off. Look at how nice and clean this is. Like, I'm loving it. I'm just gonna show you guys. So nice. Okay. Hopefully the battery is a little bit charged so we can see how it works. But so to put the lens on, I'm noticing that there's a white dot right here, and there's also a white dot on the lens. So I'm guessing you line those up. So I'm just gonna line those up like this. So white dot on white dot. And okay. Oh, I don't know what I did. Okay, so I kind of like locked it into place. Oh, and now I don't know how to take it off. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave that as it is. Next, I'm going to pop in the battery. And the battery container is right here. So you just open that up and you slide this in, and you of course match up the little gold to the gold on the inside. And it's in. Just close it on up, and there we go. All right. So, okay. So, all right. There's lots of buttons here. There's a lot going on, and I'm not a photographer in no way, shape, or form, so I really don't know what a lot of this stuff is. But the on switch is up here at the top, so I'm just going to go ahead and switch that on. And let me open this up. Oh, and look at that. So here we have the date and time and the zone. So I'm going to go ahead and customize this. So today is November. Ooh. What? November? How do you work it? So just so you guys can see, this is touchscreen, and you also can control with this little button, circular button thing over here. Sorry, I don't know the terminology again. I'm not a photographer, have no clue what I'm doing. Just kind of going with the flow. So to change the time, just going to tap on it and move it up and down. So it's November the 20th. This thing is set to 2017, honey. Oh, and it's 2020. I have absolutely no idea what time it is, and I have no idea where my iPad is. So give me a second. Okay, so it is 12:37. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this to 12:38. And then the zone is the zone, they have a lot of different places. I'm just going to go ahead and put New York, since that's right above Pennsylvania. Time difference. Karachi, what? I don't know what time difference means, so I'm just going to leave that as B. Okay, so now I have the time and the date and the location or zone set. And I just pressed OK, and it says push and hold the lens switch in the upward direction and then rotate the lens to enable shooting. So the lens switch is actually this thing right here. So it's telling me to push and hold the lens switch in the upward direction, then rotate. Oh, hold up, let me see. Oh. Okay. So I think I figured something out here. So I'm doing so, as you guys can see, it kind of projected out the lens a little bit, and twisting, it changes the focus and the like, what is the word that I'm looking for? Like the zoom. Okay, there it is. So doing this, it changes how zoomed in it is and how far away it is. Okay, so off rip, I do definitely need to charge the battery. Also, it's telling me that I need an SD card before I can move forward with anything. But I just wanted to kind of show you guys my new camera and do the initial unboxing. And this is it. So here is the camera. This is the Canon M50. And this does like flip around for if I wanted to do vlogging. So here you guys are. And this is like really great off rip. The camera quality is like telling me to charge. The camera quality is amazing, and it's just like really beautiful and sleek. This is just really nice. So being as though I have to charge it, there's a lot of work I can see that I have to do. Here on the side are the HDMI cords, so you can plug it into the computer. So that's pretty cool. And there's two different types. Then we also have on this side for the mic to plug in, but I have on these, there we go, these big old clunky nails. So you can plug in the mic. And I'm not sure what a lot of these buttons are, honestly, but I plan to figure it out. Oh. Okay, so something popped up here. I'm guessing that's the flash. So that's pretty cool. It sucks that I can't like really do anything because it's telling me I need to charge it. But up here is like a little toggle thing, a rotating switch, so you can switch the modes. There's a little button up here. I don't know what that is. But yeah, I mean, off rip, this is a beautiful, beautiful camera. And I honestly can't wait to use it. But here it is, you guys. This is my brand new vlogging and recording camera for my YouTube channel. I'm just very, very grateful to be here at this point. This is a huge milestone in my career with YouTube. So this is kind of a big deal to me. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here and charge up the battery. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking through with me throughout all of the videos I have posted thus far. I can't wait for you guys to see what's in store and what's coming up with my new camera. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found it somewhat informative for what we got with the dead battery. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get my day started. Ciao for now.